Filming? It's lit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Is that seriously all it's going to do? Nope. Aww.
That's not Andy's fault. Oh, good guy.
No!
No, Mason, get back here! Mason!
Mason's back. Great distance.
I don't think it's done yet. Is it done?
Yeah, that's exactly what happened to the one I had. Done.
And so it's done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I better turn this thing off.
Yeah, no, you don't want to turn it off. You want to film it
Okay.
again when we like these things. Alright, now I need one other person with a lighter.
I couldn't bring my fireworks because they would really get us in trouble. They're those giant balls that you light and they shoot up like 30 feet and they look like a downtown.
I love those. It smells like
They weren't supposed to sell them to me, but
go down to the alley.
nothing like buying fireworks in December from a giant manufacturer because they're just like $3
Run! Oh, they're running. They're running. They're going to go off. Oh, oh. Woo! That is awesome.
Reload! Come on! Reload!
Oh, God. We're watching fireworks, bitches.
Independence.
Yeah. Crowd reactions.
God bless America. Our founding fathers didn't have fireworks, but they did burn a lot of British things.
July 4th
Okay.
to celebrate our nation's independence. Oh, in quotation. Did you put that there? No, my friend Hannah did, and we watched it. And Ellen was like, "You guys have to make another sign." Like, okay.
Light like 4.
12,000!
Just
all at once.
yeah, light those.
You need more volunteers. You got them.
I'm not.
Where's my lighter?
I'm scared of lighting fireworks.
Where's my
would.
orange one?
I have nothing.
Rachel might go.
Rachel!
I think
Are you using my orange one? Alright!
lighting fireworks. Oh. There's a little glow in the dark.